Are you already using a CMF phone, or are you one of the many eagerly waiting for its official release? If either of these scenarios sounds like you, then you've come to the perfect place, because this video is loaded with fresh and exciting updates tailored just for you. Based on the most recent leaks, Nothing has begun teasing details about its next wave of products, generating a buzz and heightening anticipation among tech lovers. There's a ton of new information to go through, so be sure to watch until the very end to catch every crucial detail. Nothing and its sub-brand CMF have begun to build a strong sense of anticipation surrounding their upcoming product launches, carefully dropping subtle hints that suggest multiple new releases are just around the corner. Based on the information that has been unveiled so far, it appears that at least 4 entirely new devices are currently in the development stage. These devices are expected to make their highly anticipated debut sometime in the months of April or May, sparking a wave of excitement and curiosity among tech enthusiasts who are eagerly awaiting more details. As the countdown to these releases continues, the tech community remains on the edge of their seats, wondering what innovative features and groundbreaking designs Nothing and CMF will bring to the table. Once again, Nothing has chosen to stick to its signature approach of using character-based teasers to generate excitement and curiosity among its audience. However, this time, rather than focusing on animals as in previous teasers, the company has decided to shine the spotlight on a much-loved and iconic series, Pokémon. The official social media account of Nothing recently shared an image showcasing Bulbasaur, one of the original Pokémon, which has sparked a wave of speculation among fans and tech enthusiasts alike. Many are now guessing that this teaser might be pointing to the imminent release of the highly anticipated CMF Phone 2. But Bulbasaur isn't the only Pokemon making an appearance in the teasers. Alongside this iconic grass-tum Pokemon, Nothing has also teased several other well-known Pokemon including Girafarig, Hoot, and Gligar. This has led to widespread speculation that these Pokemon could be serving as symbolic representations of different upcoming products that Nothing might be unveiling in the near future. Based on these teasers, it's widely believed that the Pokemon may symbolize a range of new devices, specifically a smartwatch, neckband-style earphones, and a pair of true wireless stereo earbuds. With this new strategy of using Pokemon characters, Nothing seems to be building an intriguing narrative, one that has sparked much anticipation and excitement within the tech community. Although specific details are still being kept confidential, certain certifications offer hints about what to expect. The CMF Phone 2 has already received approvals from both the Bureau of Indian Standards, BISE, and the International Mobile Equipment Identity, IMEI database, indicating that its release could be approaching soon. Meanwhile, the Buds 2 Plus was spotted in the Federal Communications Commission, FPC, database earlier this year, further confirming its existence. Considering CMF's previous launch schedules, it is highly likely that these upcoming devices will adhere to a similar release timeline, making their debut in the near future. Recently leaked images of the CMF Phone 2 have surfaced, giving us a closer look at its sleek black design. The device appears to feature a flat frame structure and a triple camera setup on the back, adding to its modern aesthetic. While official specifications have yet to be confirmed, reports suggest that the smartphone may be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity chipset, potentially offering a balance between performance and efficiency. On the other hand, new FCC filings for the CMF Buds 2 Plus have provided insight into their battery capacity. According to the documents, the charging case is expected to house a 460 mAh battery, while each individual earbud will come equipped with a 53 mAh battery, which could translate to extended listening hours. As more teasers continue to emerge, we can anticipate further details about these upcoming products in the near future. In the meantime, if you've had the chance to use the CMF Phone 1, we'd love to hear about your experience. How did it perform in daily use? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, tech concept designer Sergey Papovich has unveiled a conceptual design for the CMF Phone 2, which closely aligns with the aesthetic principles of the anticipated Nothing Phone 3A. This concept envisions a smartphone equipped with a dual camera system, accompanied by a flashlight, all neatly positioned in a horizontal arrangement within a circular camera module. Although this design remains purely speculative, it provides a creative interpretation of both the potential hardware structure and software capabilities that the upcoming device might incorporate based on industry expectations. One of the most fascinating aspects of this concept is the inclusion of a modular, interchangeable back panel. This innovative feature gives users the ability to swap out different components, personalize the phone's overall look, and even attach various functional accessories. Not only does this enhance the aesthetic appeal of the device, but it also significantly increases its versatility, making it a more dynamic and user-friendly gadget. So, what are your thoughts on the highly anticipated Film Phone 2? Are you looking forward to its official release? Share your excitement and opinions in the comment section below. That wraps up today's video. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.